Today, members of the Broncos joined Cigna Healthcare to volunteer at Food Bank of the Rockies to help pack meals for families in need during the holiday season. Joining us now live from Food Bank of the Rockies is Mark Brandow, Regional Vice President of Cigna Healthcare. Thank you for taking some time to talk to us. We know you're actively out there volunteering. So why is it so important for you guys to be out here and be a part of this effort this holiday season?
Well, first of all, it's my pleasure to be here, and thanks for taking the time to highlight this activity. It's incredibly important for Cigna Healthcare to invest back in our communities, and if you look at the level of food insecurity here in the Denver metro area, it's at the highest level in over a decade. And to be able to be out here partnering with the Denver Broncos, partnering with the Food Bank of the Rockies, we've been able to, through our work this afternoon and our donation, to contribute over 60,000 meals that'll feed the kids in the greater metropolitan area. And it's just so important for those kids that rely on food during the school week to be able to have access to high quality food and nutrition on the weekends. And that ultimately contributes back to the health and well-being of the community, which is something that Cigna stands behind and is such a priority for us.
Yeah, Mark, thank you for that. Little birdie told me there maybe were some Broncos players volunteering this morning. Can you tell us how they were involved?
Yeah, absolutely. We had Jonathan Cooper out here. We had Cody Barton as well, and they were very much engaged. Thrilled to be partnering with them and helping give back to the community and be able to talk a little bit of football with them as well.
Sounds like a good morning for sure while you're helping people out. Well, how can folks on their
Yes,
couch,
absolutely.
we're always putting out the little QR code and letting people know that they can donate to 9 Cares Colorado Shares, but additional ways that people can support the food bank.
Yeah, no, that's fantastic. I really appreciate the support of 9 News, and ultimately donations go incredibly far. They stretch the dollar here to provide, I think, 3 meals for every dollar that's contributed, and so ultimately if you can spare a few dollars, goes extremely long way out here. And then you can also volunteer as well, be able to come out here and put your hands to work. They're always actively leveraging work here to help the community.
Yeah, answering the call for your neighbors is always something that feels incredibly great, and it's rewarding, and we appreciate the work that you're doing, Mark. Get back to work. Thank you so much for taking time. And here's a great opportunity to remind our viewers out there, 9 Cares Colorado Shares Drive still going on. This is going to go on until December 10th. We are working with local food banks, like Food Bank of the Rockies, of course, to raise money for people who are facing food insecurity. You can scan this QR code, get to our donation page. Also, if you're at King Soopers, you can always donate when you're checking out there. The donation page and all of this information is available on 9news.com/9cares.